2. And then look at hanging. Wow. Wait, let's add more with my will get mixed up. Oh, sorry. Assalamu alaikum. Today I have one of my best friends, Zainab. She is 8 years old. How are you, Zainab?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good.
Zainab, what do you want to do?
Today we're going to do craft, inshallah.
I love craft too. So let's start.
Yeah. We got everything ready. We got color papers, we got scissors, and we got glue stick.
Let's start.
Yeah. So we'll cut it straight.
Zainab,
Yes.
how do you know how to do this?
I learned in school.
Did you make it in school?
Yeah.
Did your teachers show you how to?
Yes. So here one strip ready. So as you can see, we have been doing this. So we will cut in the middle. Let's start. So now we're done cutting them. We're going to glue them in circles. Let's start. Hold it. Thank you. Okay. So now we put glue on top of these, only top of these. Now we're going to make rings. So first we take it like this, then we take that glue top and make it like in circle, then we put the other side and stick it and it makes like this. Then we do other one, but this goes in there, then it does it. So like this, when you go in, you take the glue one up like this, then you take the unstick one, then you glue it so you make it longer like this. So we will do all of these together to make a chain.
At the end, could we join them together?
Yes, to make a big chain. So when it's last time, when you think it's big enough, then you take what's like do it like make a circle. Then you see your last two ones. Then you like take it, and then you like do it, and then glue it. Just like put it around both of those, and glue it nicely so it gets stick. Then you can make your necklace. So now I'm going to help my friend. Thank you. Here, you're done.
Yeah. Why don't we wear them?
Yeah. So we're done making our necklace. We can use it to make our bracelets, our necklace. So if your friend is here and you want to make a giant, if you think we don't have any more of those paper, so then you can ask your friend and join them together so they can make big necklace. So here is what it looks like.
Look, Zainab.
Yeah, it can be in crown too.
We are done with our craft. Zainab, do you want to recite anything?
Yes, we're going to read Surah Ikhlas. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
MashaAllah.
Thank you.
That's all for today.